Okay, say your name.
Samantha James.
Right. In what ways does your media product use, develop or challenge forms and conventions of real media products?
The way it uses a code of conventions, first thing's the credits, because they're in like a pinky lovey-dovey colour, and in a fancy writing which is used in things such as For Weddings and a Funeral. And the soundtrack, it's Oasis, She Is Love, and it's a like cheesy lovey-dovey song. And there's also a female, which is the main character, which is used in other films such as Bridget Jones, and they end up falling in love. Another way it follows the code and conventions is, at the beginning it introduces all the characters, and it uses the shots which establish where it's set and stuff, which happens in For Weddings and a Funeral and Love Actually.
How does your media product represent particular social groups?
It shows that young children can be friends and stay friends for a long time. It also shows 7 to 8-year-old girls, which tend to do the chasing after the boys. But as life goes on, it tends to be the other way around, or it becomes an equal balance. The boys chasing the girls, but the girls chasing the boys at the same time.
What kind of media institution might distribute your media product and why?
I think that Working Title would produce mine, as they produce many romantic comedies.
Okay. Who would be the audience for your media product?
For my product, I think that it would be mostly females, but also of all ages, because it uses young characters and old characters. And for the social class, I think it would be C2, D and E, as the characters in the film relate to all or some of them.
How did you attract or address your audience?
I used the situation of people falling in love, and it's kind of like a fairy tale, where at the end it's like a happily ever after situation. And we also used a holiday, which most people can relate to, Valentine's Day.
Okay. What have you learnt about technologies from the process of constructing this product?
Everything I've done, I've learned from doing this, like how to set up cameras, how to use the cameras, how to use Final Cut Pro in the edit suite, and editing my film, and also using the blog to write down the stages of my work and how I've done it all.
Okay. Looking back at your preliminary task, what do you feel you have learnt in the progression from it to the full product?
From doing the preliminary task, I've learned how to operate a camera, how to set up the equipment, and how to capture shots, which I used in my product, which was Match on Action at the beginning, where the girls are running up the stairs and using the door shots.
Okay. Alright, say your name then.
Cara Morgan.
Alright, in what ways does your media